Step into the 2011 Hyundai Sonata GLS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are active front head restraints, driver and front passenger advanced front airbags, front and rear side air curtains, front outboard side impact airbags, keyless entry integrated anti-theft system and panic, latch child safety seat anchors and tethers, 104-watt 6-speaker sound system, 12-volt auxiliary power outlets, air conditioning and exterior temperature display. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.